Nairobi City. The bustling and capital city of Kenya has seen quite a number of new cities and smart cities being developed at its outskirts. Cities that are set to put the country's real estate and production sector to a new level, offering special economic zones benefits. Today, we take a look at the top projects revolutionizing real estate projects in Kenya. Starting with Tilisi. Tilisi is located in Kiambu County, 30 kilometers from Nairobi CBD along Nairobi-Nakuru Highway, directly off Limuru Road. Tilisi is a 400-acre master-planned mixed-income development dubbed Inspire, Invest, Imagine. Tilisi offers residential investments with spaces for high-density population consisting of high-rise apartments and low-density population, which will have villas and townhouses. The logistics and light industries area consists of around 112 acres. The commercial spaces, which will include hotel, retail and service outlets, special stores, etc., will have been allocated 25 acres. Healthcare and education, which is crucial for any development, will be developed on around 12 acres of land. Recreational spaces will be developed on 4 acres. Tatu City, located 20 kilometers north of Nairobi CBD in Kiambu County along Ruiru-Kiambu Road. Tatu sits on an expansive 500-acre land. The city is done build, work, play, integrating mixed-use development. This is Kenya's first operational special economic zone and smart city. Businesses benefit from other benefits like exemptions and duty-free imports. The master plan has the biggest area of 300 acres set aside for residential areas, which will include 750 acres for high-rise and high-density, and other spaces for low-density residential areas, 750 acres for industrial and special economic zone, 500 acres for parks, open spaces and infrastructure, 200 acres for technology park, and 300 acres are set aside for educational and health purposes. Konza City is government's flagship smart city project, popularly referred to as Silicon Savannah. Located 60 kilometers southeast of Nairobi, spanning across Machakos, Kajiado and Makueni County, Konza City sits on an expansive 500-acre master-planned land comprising of residential area of 346 acres categorized as low density, medium and high density, 190 acres for light industries, 104 acres will host educational facilities, and a massive 667 acres will be used for recreational purposes like sports complex. 312 acres will be used for healthcare and public utilities. 1,400 acres is set aside for transport, which will include roads, train networks, technology, which is the backbone of the city, will have 375 acres, and over 1,000 acres of land has been set aside for conservation purposes. The Northlands City, located in Kiambu County, 20 minutes from the Nairobi CBD, covering an expansive 11,500 acres of land. The Kenyatta-backed real estate project is located at a strategic area a few minutes drive to CBD and JKIA. The master plan will have 695 acres for an industrial park and further 650 acres for a logistics park. 1,697 acres will be used as an open recreational spaces, which will include malls, clubhouses, and water features. A total of 3,570 acres will be used for residential housing, of which 3,134 acres will be used for low density residentials. 306 acres will be used for high density residential and 130 for medium density. 390 acres have been set aside for business district, and almost half of the land, which is 5,156 acres, will be used for wildlife conservation. The Nairobi Railway City, located south of the Nairobi City Center. The Nairobi Railway City project aims to transform existing Kenya Railway Central Station into modern multimodal transit hub. Sitting on 438 acres of land, its vision encompasses an expansive central business district with multi-use development comprising of offices, residential houses, retail and cultural facilities. The project will be delivered in phases, starting from the new central station and public rail, expanding the capacity of Nairobi commuter rail network, and others to follow. As the city continues to grow and the country continues to grow economically, so does each and every person that lives in it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.